Do you ever wake up in the morning and your legs feel heavy, stiff, maybe even weaker than they used to be, and you haven't even gotten out of bed yet? Here's what most doctors don't tell you. Every single night, while you sleep, your body goes into repair mode. It's working quietly in the background, rebuilding tissue, restoring energy, and yes, rebuilding muscle. But here's the problem. After 60, your body needs more raw material to do that job. And if you go to bed without giving it what it needs, it can't rebuild. So instead of waking up stronger, you wake up weaker every single morning. But tonight, that changes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to eat before bed to give your leg muscles everything they need to rebuild while you sleep. These are simple, everyday foods. No supplements, no powders. And the science behind this is surprisingly powerful. Stay with me, because the food I reveal at the end of this video is the one most people completely ignore. And it may be the most important one of all. First, let's talk about what's actually happening in your body. After the age of 60, your body naturally begins losing muscle mass. Scientists call this sarcopenia, and it doesn't just affect your end arms or your core. It hits your legs hardest because leg muscles are among the largest in your body, and they require the most maintenance. Here's what makes it worse. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using the protein we eat during the day. So even if you're eating reasonably well, your muscles may not be getting what they need. And here's the part that surprises most people. The overnight period, those 7 to 8 hours while you sleep, is actually one of the most important windows for muscle repair. Your body releases growth hormones during sleep. It ramps up tissue repair. It sends nutrients to your muscles. But if there's nothing there to work with, that entire window is wasted. That's why what you eat before bed matters more than most people realize, especially after 60. The first food is one you probably already have in your fridge: Greek yogurt. Now, Greek yogurt isn't just a healthy snack. At night, it becomes something much more powerful. Greek yogurt is rich in a type of protein called casein. Unlike other proteins that digest quickly, casein is a slow-release protein. It breaks down gradually over several hours, which means it feeds your muscles with a steady stream of amino acids all through the night. A study published in Frontiers in Nutrition found that older adults who consumed casein-rich protein before bed experienced a significant increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis. That's the process your body uses to actually rebuild muscle tissue. In fact, researchers found that pre-sleep protein increased muscle rebuilding by as much as 22% compared to those who ate nothing before bed. That's not a small number. That's your body working nearly a quarter harder to rebuild your muscles, just because of what you ate before sleep. For leg muscles specifically, this matters enormously. Your quads, your hamstrings, your calves, they all benefit from that overnight protein supply. What to do? About 30 minutes before bed, have half a cup to 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. You can add a small drizzle of honey if you need a little sweetness. Keep it simple. The second food is something you can eat right alongside your Greek yogurt, and together, they make a powerful combination. Bananas. Now here's something most people don't know about bananas and leg strength. Bananas are rich in magnesium and potassium, 2 minerals that are absolutely critical for muscle function, and seniors are among the most likely to be deficient in both. Magnesium helps your muscles relax properly. Without enough of it, your muscles stay in a state of slight tension, which leads to cramps, stiffness, and that heavy feeling in your legs when you wake up. Potassium works alongside magnesium to regulate muscle contractions. It's essentially the mineral that keeps your leg muscles communicating properly with your nervous system. When potassium is low, muscle weakness follows. 1 banana before bed gives you approximately 32 milligrams of magnesium, and supports your body's electrolyte balance through the night. It also contains vitamin B6, which reduces inflammation and supports recovery. And here's a bonus. The natural sugars in a banana are gentle and slow releasing, so they won't spike your blood sugar before sleep. What to do? Eat one medium banana about 30 minutes before bed. Pair it with your Greek yogurt for a complete pre-sleep muscle recovery snack. Now, eggs are often thought of as a breakfast food, but what I'm about to share with you might change when you eat them. Eggs are one of the most complete sources of protein available. A single large egg contains all 9 essential amino acids. They're the building blocks your muscles need to repair and rebuild. For leg muscles, the amino acid leucine is particularly important, and eggs deliver it well. But here's what makes eggs especially valuable for seniors specifically. Egg yolks contain vitamin D, one of the most critical nutrients for muscle strength after 60. Studies show that low vitamin D levels are directly linked to muscle weakness, poor balance, and slower recovery, and the majority of seniors are deficient in it. When you eat eggs before bed, you're giving your body both the protein it needs for muscle rebuilding and the vitamin D that helps your muscles actually contract and perform properly. Hard-boiled eggs are ideal as a pre-sleep food because they're easy to digest, quick to prepare, and you can make a batch ahead of time. What to do? 1 to 2 hard-boiled eggs about 45 minutes before bed. If the timing feels too close to sleep, have them as an early evening snack after dinner. Now, I promised you a food that most people overlook, and here it is: warm milk. I know, it sounds too simple, almost old-fashioned, but there's a reason your grandmother swore by it, and science is now backing her up completely. Milk contains both casein and whey protein, a combination that gives your muscles both immediate and sustained amino acid delivery through the night. It also contains tryptophan, which supports the production of melatonin, helping you sleep more deeply. And deeper sleep means more time in the repair phase, which means better muscle recovery. But here's the part most people miss. Milk is also one of the best natural sources of calcium and vitamin D together. And for leg muscles specifically, calcium plays a critical role in muscle contraction. Without enough calcium, your muscles, including every muscle in your legs, simply cannot contract efficiently. 1 warm cup of milk before bed covers multiple bases at once: protein for rebuilding, calcium for contraction, tryptophan for deeper sleep. It's one of the most complete pre-sleep foods for leg muscle recovery that exists, and it costs almost nothing. What to do? Warm 1 cup of whole milk or 2% milk and drink it 30 minutes before bed. If you're lactose intolerant, a fortified oat milk with added calcium and vitamin D is a good alternative. So let's bring it all together. Your legs feel weaker after 60 not just because of age, but because your body's overnight repair window isn't being used. Every night you go to bed without the right nutrients is a missed opportunity to rebuild. Starting tonight, here's your simple before bed routine for stronger legs. Greek yogurt for slow-release casein protein that feeds your muscles all night. A banana for magnesium and potassium that prevent cramps and support muscle function. Hard-boiled eggs for complete protein and vitamin D for muscle strength. Warm milk for the ultimate overnight combination of protein, calcium, and deeper sleep. You don't need all 4 every single night. Start with 1 or 2 and see how your legs feel in the morning. Many people notice a difference within the first week. Your body has an incredible ability to repair and rebuild, even after 60. You just have to give it the tools to do the job. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps more seniors find this information. And subscribe to SereniFit so you never miss our weekly videos on healthy aging, nutrition, and feeling your best after 60. I'll see you in the next one.